following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Mircale-Gro. The Austin Big Bloom Home and Garden Show is taking over the Palmer Event Center this weekend, and joining us now with all the details is a man of many talents. He's a pioneer farmer, radio show host, and writer, Justin Butts. Justin, good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am? Nice to see you.
Nice to have you on the show with us. I wish we could be together in person, but of course you've got to be getting ready for something pretty big and cool. Talk to us about this Big Bloom Home and Garden Center show and what people can expect when they walk through the doors at Palmer.
Well, the Big Bloom is a 3-day home and garden show at the Palmer Event Center, inspired by spring. This is what you will find when you arrive. Hundreds of vendors in the outdoor living space, the home and garden space, the DIY space that you can go visit, get to know, get ideas and inspiration. And I would say the biggest thing you'll take from this show is inspiration. You can see projects come to life right in front of you. The other thing you get is networking. If you have a renovation project, if you have an outdoor project coming, you can go talk to 3, 4, 6, 7 different vendors who do that kind of work. Talk to them face to face, get an idea of who they are. So when you go home, you'll know who to call for that project.
Such a good point, because usually it's so much exercise to call someone up, get a time on the calendar, that sort of thing. You get to talk to all these people in real time, in real life, and see if you connect with them. Gives you a good idea for inspiration if you're working on the house. You, my friend, are hosting several seminars throughout the weekend. So if you wouldn't mind, tell us a little bit more about your expertise and the sort of topics we'll be hearing about.
Well, one of the topics I'm talking about is my favorite: how to grow the most tomatoes you've ever grown in your life and the best tasting. Tomatoes are the most popular vegetable in America, but they're also one of the hardest to grow. And I love the subject. I also talk about natural pest control and basically answer any question you have about gardening. My expertise is I've traveled all over the world studying farming and have read hundreds of farming books, but most importantly, I put that knowledge to work in the laboratory of my own farm business. I pioneered a farm in a very hard place to do it. So everything I talk about, I have done many, many times over. If I'm talking about it, you know that you can trust that technique will work.
Okay, I'm going to put you on the spot here. Beefeater is a name I think of. Heirloom. Roma? Do you have a favorite type of tomato?
All of those are fantastic. You just said some of the best. Come to the seminar and I'm going to tell you the top 10 varieties of tomatoes, but this is what's most important. Why? A lot of times with gardening advice, especially if you go to Google or the internet and just enter a question to get a tip, you don't understand why. What is the why behind what you're doing? So what are the varieties that you want to grow depending on what you're trying to get? Come out to the seminar and I'm going to tell you why you want to grow different varieties.
A really good point. Okay, and I hear your wife, Kayla, will be there too.
She will. Kayla is the author of Garden to Table with Kayla Butts, and it's an international best-selling cookbook. Kayla and I worked together for many years. She's been developing recipes for 15 plus years, and these recipes are in the book. They're fantastic. I will tell you, I have vetted all of them. They're excellent. Kayla is going to do several cooking demonstrations. Please don't miss them. I know that I'm a little biased, but she's beautiful, talented, and very funny, as you will see if you attend one of her demonstrations. Don't miss Kayla Butts' Garden to Table at the Big Bloom.
Oh, that is so sweet of you to say. Okay, want to know if you have any tips for preparing gardens for spring? We're almost there here in Texas.
Yes. My number one tip is soil health. Soil health, I believe, is 90% of getting a great harvest with a few amounts of pests, and most importantly, the most flavor. Flavor is very misunderstood about why you're growing your own food in your own garden. So I'll give you one secret, and I'm going to tell you many at the Big Bloom this weekend, but one secret is wood ash from native trees. Wood ash is rich in potassium. Potassium unlocks the sugars in fruits and vegetables. The more potassium in the soil, the more flavorful your produce.
Ooh, I can tell we're going to learn a lot from you. Okay, last question here. Do we need to pay for tickets?
You do not. It is free admission all weekend long. Come out this Friday from 2 to 6. Saturday, my favorite day, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Come and visit. It is a great time. And then Sunday also from 11 to 5. We're doing seminars, we're doing demonstrations, and it won't just be me. There are a lot of amazing people, from master gardeners to gardening experts to every kind of expert, and kid shows. We have 2 little children. They love the Big Bloom because there's so much stuff for kids.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Okay, Justin, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day. See you at the Big Bloom.
Sounds good to me. The Home and Garden Show that you've been hearing about happens Friday through Sunday, all with free admission. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Mircale-Gro.